Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new lecture of 4.1 What is Success English Workshop. Question number first. Take the correct alternative. The poet says that success is C. To laugh often and much. The poet wants us to earn the appreciation of honest criticize. The poet wants us to appreciate beauty. The poet wants us to leave the world a bit better. Question number second. Compare this poem with Walk a Little Slow and fill in the chart. So I hope आपको याद आता होगा. हमें एक पोएम थी वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर, और नहीं याद आता होगा तो आप बहुत होपलेस हो. सही में बोल रही हूँ. सो मैं इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पोएम दी हुई है और वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर एंड व्हाट इज सक्सेस कंपेयर करना है. डज इट हैव राइमिंग वर्ड्स? Yes. What is success? No. Does it have a steady rhythm? Yes. What is success? No. ये दो पोएम के नाम है. Are the lines of equal length? Yes. What is success में? No. Are there stanzas with equal number of lines? Yes. Free verse. आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा थोड़ा सा, तो भी नहीं आया होगा तो वीडियो रिवर्स में देखो, शायद समझ आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. बेस्ड ऑन द पोएट्स आइडिया ऑफ ट्रू सक्सेस, थिंक ऑफ 4 people in your surroundings, your family, neighbors, friends, teachers, classmates, etc. who have achieved true success. Write in short what makes them successful. जिन्होंने सक्सेस अचीव किया है, किसके भी बारे में मत लिखो. He never ran after money but concentrated on his job. He put in his best and slowly but steadily rose to the top. He always spoke the truth. He never denied anyone help, be it a family member or someone unknown. My grandfather will never be forgotten by people. ये हमने grandfather के बारे में लिखा था. B. My teacher. My English teacher always help us in our work. She goes out of her way to help us in our difficulty. She loves to see us laughing and happy. She too has risen to the top and is now the vice principal. Everyone loves her. Our C मतलब थर्ड मेंबर है. Our neighbor Mr. Mehta is full of fun and very active in life. He greets everyone very heartily. He is always friendly and keeps giving children gift of books, pencils, paints, crayons, erasers, etc. Our fourth person is, हमें हमारे सराउंडिंग में लिखना है, कोई भी मत लिखो. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ. List all the infinitive verb forms used in the poem. Answer: to laugh, to earn, to appreciate, to find, to know, to have, to endure, to win, to live. Question number 5. In your opinion, what things will help to make the world a better place? Discuss with your friends and write down at least 3 of the things. Answer: if we want the world to become a better place, we must first change ourselves. We must get rid of our superior attitude and get down to the level of the common boy or girl. We must always be ready to help those in distress and trouble and not behave as though we are superior to them. We must learn how to take success in our stride, find the virtues in others and change our vices for the better. Question number 6. Think of different types of people who have to face great difficulties. Write what you can do to help at least one of them. Answer: the poor and the sick always need help. Poor people have to face so many difficulties. They are unable to satisfy even their basic needs. Their children are deprived of education. Some people are homeless. They have to live without shelter. I would want to help the uneducated, get him or her into some school, pay the fees, buy the books and teach him personally. आप भी ट्राई कर सकती हो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको ये करके और उन लोगों की भी दुआ आपको मिलेगी. Question number 7. Prepare a set of questions to interview. A famous author. First: hello sir, we have heard so much about you. Sir, how do you appreciate your success? Second: what made you decide to become an author? Third, did you wish to do something else earlier? Fourth, what was is that inspired you? Fifth, did you like reading books when you were young? Sixth, who is your role model in life? Seventh, who is your favorite author? Eighth, is your favorite author Indian or a foreign author? Ninth, which was the first book you wrote? 10th, what is your latest book which is now in the market? Thank you, sir, for your cooperation. B, a well-known social worker in your area. Hello, sir, we are so happy you have here with us. First, sir, since when are you involved with social work? Second, what type of social work do you do, sir? Are you particular about which community you help? Do you get political parties to help you in your work? Our fifth example is how do you manage the fundraising for your social work? Sixth, does the media help you in your work? Seventh, who was your mentor in this field, sir? Eighth, what satisfaction do you get from his work? Thank you, sir, for being such a help. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.